Ready to turn your bathroom into a space that feels straight out of a luxury hotel? These Amazon finds bring sleek design, elevated details, and a high-end vibe without the hassle. From elegant organizers to statement pieces, every pick is all about style and comfort. Check the links in the description to upgrade your space. Upgrade your bathroom with this all-in-one smart bidet toilet designed for comfort and hygiene. It offers multiple wash modes, a self-cleaning nozzle, and warm air drying for a refreshing experience every time. The heated seat and adjustable water temperature make every visit comfortable, while touchless flush, automatic lid, and LED display add a modern, convenient touch. Its sleek, tankless design saves space and delivers powerful, efficient flushing. Keep your bathroom neat and clutter-free with this all-in-one toothbrush holder. It features a large storage tray, drawers, and magnetic cups for the whole family, plus an automatic toothpaste dispenser for mess-free brushing. Wall-mounted design saves space while keeping everything organized and dry, making your morning routine effortless. Turn your daily shower into a spa-like experience with this dual range showerhead set. The overhead and handheld sprays can run simultaneously, giving you full coverage and a steady, balanced flow. Adjustable height and angle make it perfect for everyone, while the built-in power wash wand tackles soap scum and hard-to-reach spots. Heavy-duty metal construction ensures durability and a modern, polished look that elevates any bathroom. Imagine stepping out of the shower to a warm, cozy towel every time. This 8-bar electric towel warmer heats fast, reaching the perfect temperature in minutes, while its built-in timer and smart controls keep things safe and convenient. Wall-mounted design saves space and adds a sleek, modern touch to your bathroom, spa, or hotel setup. Turn your shower into the ultimate entertainment zone. This waterproof phone holder keeps your device safe from splashes and steam while you stream videos or jam to music. It rotates 480 degrees and adjusts angles so you can watch from any position. The clear cover lets you use your phone normally. Even Face ID works. Easy to install without drilling. It's perfect for any bathroom or shower. Cleaning your toilet doesn't have to be a chore. This brush has dense, durable bristles that tackle stains without scratching the bowl. The solid, ergonomic handle gives you a firm grip for easy scrubbing, even in hard-to-reach spots. Its sleek holder keeps the brush discreet, ventilated, and hygienic. Strong, practical, and stylish, it makes bathroom cleaning faster and more efficient. Make rinsing effortless and precise. This automatic dispenser delivers the perfect amount of mouthwash every time, with 3 adjustable levels for adults and kids. Wall-mounted and rechargeable, it's eco-friendly and keeps your counter clutter-free. Magnetic cups snap neatly in place, ready when you are. Sleek, modern, and easy to use, it turns a simple rinse into a smart bathroom upgrade. Never stumble in the dark again. This motion-activated toilet light glows the moment you approach, staying on just long enough to guide your way. Pick from 16 fun colors or let them cycle for a playful effect that kids and adults will love. Easy to install, waterproof, and battery-powered, it fits any toilet bowl. A quirky, practical gadget that adds fun and safety to your bathroom. Turn wasted space into instant storage. This 3-tier rack fits perfectly above your toilet, giving you shelves for towels, toiletries, and everyday essentials. Hooks and a paper holder keep things handy, while a sturdy metal frame stays stable and rust-free. It's tall, sleek, and makes your bathroom feel organized without crowding. Easy to assemble and clean, it's a smart solution for any small space. Say goodbye to scrubbing struggles. This rechargeable body brush spins 360 degrees to exfoliate and cleanse every part of your body effortlessly. 4 attachments let you tackle everything from gentle scrubbing to tough foot care. Its long, non-slip handle reaches tricky spots, and the waterproof design means you can use it safely in the shower. One button controls speed and power, leaving your skin fresh, smooth, and glowing. Keep your soap off the sink and dry all the time. This magnetic holder suspends your bar in the air, letting it drain and last twice as long. It works with any soap size and barely takes up space, keeping your shower neat and tidy. Installation is a breeze. No screws or drilling needed, just stick it on any surface. A simple, clever design that makes your daily routine cleaner and smarter. Step out of the shower without the puddle panic. This quick-dry stone bath mat soaks up water instantly, keeping your floor dry and safe. The rubberized bottom stops slipping so you can step on with confidence. Made from diatomaceous earth, it feels like natural stone while staying hygienic and durable. Sleek, flat, and eco-friendly, it adds a spa-like touch to any bathroom. Turn your bath into a personal spa retreat. This bamboo bathtub tray expands to fit most tubs and holds everything you need for ultimate relaxation. It's got a spot for your book, tablet, or even a glass of wine. Non-slip silicone grips keep it steady, so nothing falls into the water. Made from premium bamboo with a waterproof finish, it's sturdy, stylish, and perfect for unwinding in luxury. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles. This touchless dispenser gives you just the right amount every time, with 8 adjustable levels to suit your needs. Its extra large tank means fewer refills, keeping your kitchen or bathroom hassle-free. The rechargeable battery lasts months on a single charge, and the waterproof design lets you mount it or place it on the counter. Clean hands or dishes are just a wave away. Step out of the shower into a cloud of warmth. This towel warmer heats towels, robes, and blankets quickly, giving you cozy comfort in seconds. Its large 25-liter capacity fits the whole family's needs, while even heat wraps everything in gentle warmth. A built-in aromatherapy feature adds a subtle, relaxing scent. With a timer, auto shutoff, and child-safe design, it's both luxurious and worry-free. Showers sound better with your favorite music playing. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker lets you stream songs right in the shower, by the pool, or even at the beach. The sound stays clear and strong, even around water and noise. It's compact and easy to carry, so you can clip it and take it anywhere. Colorful lights add a fun vibe, turning any moment into a mini party. Your toothbrush deserves a smarter home. This wall-mounted holder keeps everything organized while saving space on your sink. It fits multiple toothbrushes, even electric ones, so your whole setup stays neat and tidy. A built-in timer helps you brush for the right amount of time, then stops automatically. With a rechargeable battery and no messy wires, you can mount it anywhere in seconds. Turn your bathroom into a private spa escape. This corner Whirlpool Tub is built for 2, giving you plenty of space to relax together in total comfort. Powerful jets surround your body, easing tension and helping you unwind after a long day. The built-in heater keeps the water warm so you can soak longer without interruption. Soft, color-changing lights set the mood, making every bath feel calm, cozy, and luxurious. Taking out the trash just got a lot cleaner. This smart trash can opens automatically the moment you wave your hand, so you never have to touch the lid. The motion sensor reacts in seconds, then closes softly after you're done. It helps keep germs away and your space more hygienic. You can also control it manually anytime, giving you flexibility when needed. your mirror just became your favorite screen. This smart mirror TV looks like a sleek mirror went off, then reveals a full display the moment you turn it on. It's fully waterproof, so you can enjoy shows, music, or news right in your bathroom without worry. Built-in voice control lets you search and play content hands-free. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can stream, connect, and upgrade your routine effortlessly. Your shower just leveled up in a big way. This smart shower set shows the exact water temperature on a digital display, so you always get it just right. The system keeps the heat steady, meaning no sudden cold or hot surprises. You can switch between 3 water flow modes, from relaxing to powerful. Plus, the wide double-layer shelf keeps all your shower essentials within easy reach. Why guess the water temperature when you can see it instantly? This smart faucet shows real-time temperature on a digital display with color signals, so you know if it's cold, warm, or hot at a glance. The pull-out sprayer extends easily, helping you rinse, clean, or even wash your hair right at the sink. You get 3 water modes, from a gentle flow to a powerful spray for stubborn messes. A single handle keeps control simple, while the swivel design gives you full flexibility. Laundry day just got a whole lot smarter. This hamper separates your clothes into 3 sections, so you can sort lights, darks, and delicates as you go. Each inner bag lifts out easily with sturdy handles, making trips to the washer quick and mess-free. There's even a base handle to help you empty without struggle. The lid keeps everything looking neat, while the sleek design fits perfectly in any room. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.